Hello, Assalamualaikum and warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group H. So my name is Muhmmad Saufi bin Kamal as a leader from this group, and there are two members of this group, which is Muhammad Khalis Fikrie bin Madzehi and Muhammad Syamim Aisar bin Muhammad Hisham. We would like to present about the proposal of the project of produce high compression piston to our lecturer. Name is Dr. Cheng Sin Yuan. So we are presenting about the proposal for produce high compression piston from our company. This is the Brothers Enterprise. Here it begins. Introduction of this project is, as you know, the automotive industry is the key drive of any growing economy. The automobile industry comprises an automobile and auto component sector. The component production range include engine part, which is 31%, drive transmission and steering part is 19%, suspension and braking part is 12%, electrical part 10%, equipment parts 12%, body and chassis 9%, and others equipment is 7%. So this project is mainly we are focusing on manufacturing of automobile piston. It's one of the most demanding engine parts to our company. Basically, I have my team have planned to produce a brand new piston that are relevant and show how these pistons are made with the curtain process and material to get a better quality and durability than the existing one to spare parts seller and workshop that have ordered with us. This product we make using light materials resistant to compression and resistance to high temperature. The product quality is also guaranteed to the customer. This is because before we make the market of this product, we have done some research and durability tests before we make it. Besides that, the goal of this project is to make a new type of piston that can be more suitable to convert thermal energy into a mechanical energy. So this will make some increase and improvement to the engine of the car. The objective of this project, as you can see from this slide, is to produce a high quality products for customer certification. Number two is produce the product that can withstand high performance and compressing in the engine. The number three is maintain and further develop the company's reputation so that it can expand overseas. The functionality. So that in this product, it has 4 phases, which is I will explain to you the phase 1 and phase 2, which is phase 1 is idea and planning. In this phase is more about the idea to make the product, which is it means will be planful to the founder or leader that will be choose. We will choose the best idea to make the product from design into a reality. In phase 2 is manufacturing, which is in this phase is to start the product after the main idea has been chosen. After we taking the best design of the piston, so we move to the manufacturing part. Along with this, there are 6 liner to make this product happen. So for the next phase, I will let Muhammad Syamim Aisar to explain it.
Okay, thank you Muhammad Saufi. Next is the third phase, which is product quality control. At this point, the product has been made to go through a quality inspection to obtain and ensure the quality of this product is guaranteed to be safe to given to buyer and user. Okay, for the fourth phase is the last phase. Among others part from before the phase for one of their liners. That liners was not included because the liner was made by other department. We are focused on the final part to find out how many piston we make so that we can save raw material and the cost of making a quality product. Okay, next slide. For the team power resource, we have 16 members in this company, starting with Muhammad Khalis Fikrie as project director, and under him there are 2 people in the management department, namely Muhammad Saufi as accounting manager and Muhammad Syamim Aisar as product manager. Under Muhammad Saufi, there are 3 people working in the financial department, and under Muhammad Syamim, there are 3 people also working in the product department. And the last is the supervisor, who is assigned to take care of and control the worker and the quality of the workers. Next, this time taken to make this project. For the idea and planning section, we need 12 hours to complete this section. Next, for the manufacturing section, we need 11 hours to complete the amount of product that have been set. For final inspection, it takes 8 hours to ensure that the good product reach that required criteria. The last is the shipment part, which is need 5 hours to ensure the product has been packed safely. Okay, next for the material and machines. For raw material, we use 5052 aluminum rod D6 600 mm. And second, packing material, molded hard paper carton. Okay, for the machines, we use 6 machines. The first one is foundry machine, next milling machine, ladle machine, grinding machine, laboratory compressing, chemical and physical testing, and the last one is forklift. Okay, next is necessary. We use other contingent, safety tools, and utilities. Okay, for the budget, as you can see, for the raw material, we use 1,400 ringgit. As you can see, it takes 1% from our budget. Equipment cost, we use 194,700 ringgit and 55% from the total of the budget. Next, the last one is necessary. We use 157,200 ringgit. For the percentage is 44% from our total budget. Okay, the total budget is 353,300 ringgit. Next, I will give to Muhammad Khalis to explain the table procurement.
Okay, we move to the next page, which is table of procurement. This table of procurement to produce the high compression piston. This table provides the required duration of the delivery and variance every phase, which is from AA001 product idea until the AD003 ready for delivery. In this table also, there are some variance value that mean the delivery period of the required. As you can see from the work page, AA005, AB003, AB004, AB005, and AB006, whose the variant value is 0, which means the delivery is exactly as planned. From the work page called AB002, the variant value is 1, which means the delivery is up 1 hour early than planned, which is 2 hours. And the last one is AB001. The variable value is negative 4, which means the delivery is not as planned. As you can see from the table required from the AB001, need 2 hours but time to arrive is 6 hours and late for 4 hours. As you can see in the Gantt chart, to produce the high compression piston, in planning only need 36 hours, but due to the delay of material to arrive, there is a delay of 3 hours to complete one piston. Effect. As you can see at the Gantt chart, our product complete the effect from the AB001, which is the raw material, is late for 4 hours. So this matter will delay 3 hours of our cycle to finish the product. And the solution, recall the supplier to get the raw material on the time or early and increase our raw material so this can be backup if the raw material is not enough for next production lines. Improvement, analyze the collecting data for the report before and always alert when there's something bad happen or unexpected situation. Let's move to the last part for this slide, which is the critical part of the high compression piston project. As you can see from the table above, the strategy will be success and can make in the right time. It is because the time this project is taking 39 hours to make this project finish, which is if we conclude it time about 4 days to make it, but the process on the schedule is 6 days, so it will be balanced a day of about 2 days. So if there are some flaw or incidents, we still can make it up the project before the due date. Next, we also see the critical part is only single direction. It starts from the task AA001 until task AD003. So this is the single line as you can see from the table above. Finally, we assume that with this schedule we can get the target time for production preparation with minimal cost production. The network diagram above, all shielding the produced product, all float value are 0. This shows that each process need to be carried out according the time that has been set to avoid excessive production costs. This is our critical part from AA001 until AD003.